Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachael here. I believe you guys are doing very well. Today I'm going to share with you guys what I did with my hair after stretching my hair with yarn, taking the yarn out of my hair, fully detangled my hair and trimmed the ends of my hair. If you haven't watched the video, don't worry. I will leave it in the description box. I will also leave it in the card area so you can go and check it out. Yeah, so I was doing my hair after I took the yarn out of my hair, so I wanted to film it for you guys. So I went ahead and yeah, I grabbed my camera and I will just film it for you guys because you guys know I love sharing my hair experience with you. So yeah, I did a shocking lazy twist, but this time I did it a bit different from one of my previous video, the one I did with the shocking lazy twist. I don't know if you guys remember. I braided the root of my hair and twisted my hair, but this time I didn't do it that way. I will leave the video down below also if you want to check it out. And yeah, I was just twisting my hair. I didn't braid the root at all. I just grabbed some strand of my hair, then started twisting my hair. And as you guys can see, I was able to part my hair with my hand because my hair is fully detangled and there is no knots or anything in my hair. And this is the reason why I highly recommend, if you want to do like twist things like this, you want to really like detangle your hair and get the knots and the shed hair out of your hair to make your twist look nice and smooth. But in this case, my hair is stretched. If you can even stretch your hair, it is better because your twist is going to look really beautiful and very poppy. Yeah, so I just part my hair, so I was just like twisting it. I didn't braid the root, I just grabbed the strand, then twist it, and that's all. And this twist took me 30 minutes because I wasn't going like to spend too much time doing this. I wanted something really quick and easy. So I just grabbed the strand of my hair as you can see me doing, then I just put it into twist. That is it, guys. This is all I did with my hair, and this twist do last me for 2 weeks. As you guys know, I normally wash my hair every 2 weeks, just in case if you don't know it now you know. I love washing my hair every 2 weeks because I find it that it really worked for me that way. So yeah, and this is all I did. As I said, it was so easy and beautiful. You guys can even tell from the video how my hair truly look like. So yeah guys, I believe you enjoy watching this video. Please do share it with your friends and family that might also find this video helpful, and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.